Namaste. I'm Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today I'd like to discuss surround yourself with beauty. So, in our daily lives, there are negative people, negative conditions, negative places. There are all types of darkness around us. And even though we may be light workers, we may be energy practitioners, we may just be very positive individuals, but we find ourselves becoming depressed. We find ourselves angry. We find ourselves frustrated with the amount of negativity that is facing us. So, it is necessary to create an environment for ourselves where we can recharge, we can rejuvenate, we can replenish that life force, that love of life within us by surrounding ourselves with beauty. Art, flowers, dance, music, being in nature, good food, good friends. By surrounding ourselves with beauty, we find a new purpose. We find that things are not so bad after all. When we surround ourselves with beauty, the beauty within us can flourish. So, what do you do to surround yourself with beauty? I'd like to hear your stories in the comments below. I'm Ade. Thank you for subscribing to the Golden Circle Movement channel. Thank you for ringing this notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for liking and sharing this video. It does help the channel. I appreciate your participation in the Golden Circle. Namaste.